SSC CGL important SSC CGL 2024 important key question and answer. You can download the PDF in the description. First question: what is Bhupen Hazarika famous for? Bhupen Hazarika was an Indian playback singer, lyricist, musician, poet, actor, artist, editor, filmmaker, professional politician from Assam. Bhupen Hazarika is from Assam. Widely known as Sudha Kanto, meaning Kukko, literally nectar throated. Bhupen Hazarika is also known as the nectar throated. He is from Assam state. Next one. Who was known as the poet of Brahmaputra? Who is known as the poet of Brahmaputra? The answer is Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, popularly known as the bird of Brahmaputra and Sudha Khanta of Nightingale. It is also important question. Which poet is known as the Brahmaputra? Poet of Brahmaputra. The answer is Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Next question. Which state is connected Bhupen Hazarika Bridge? Which state is connected by Bhupen Hazarika Bridge? The answer is Bhupen Hazarika Setu, also referred to as a Dola Sadia Bridge. Bhupen Hazarika Bridge is also known as the Dola Sadia Bridge. Is a beam bridge in India connected in northeast states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Which state connects the Bhupen Hazarika Bridge? The answer is Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Who replaced Babur? Babur is replaced by Humayun. Who replaced Akbar? The answer is Jahangir. What is the title of the Humayun? Nasruddin Muhammad is also known as the Humayun. He born on 6th March 1508. He was the second Mughal emperor. He was earned the title Insan ki Kamil. Insan ki Kamil. That was a perfect man. The title of the Humayun is Insan I Kamil. Next one. What kind of document was Wood's dispatch? What kind of document was Wood's dispatch? The answer is Wood's dispatch was a landmark educational policy document. Wood's dispatch is a landmark education policy document. Next, what was Wood's dispatch 1854 also known as? Wood's dispatch is also known as a Magna Carta. Wood's dispatch is also known as a Magna Carta. It came in July 1854 by the Charles Wood. Next question. The Pro Kabaddi League PKL was established in India in 2014. In exam they may ask when Pro Kabaddi League established. The answer is in 2014. The Jaipur Pink Panthers won the first season of the PKL in 2014. Next one. Who is known as the father of Kabaddi? Who is known as the father of Kabaddi? The answer is Arjit Bar Bhajakhana. Arjit Bar Bhajakhana known as the father of Kabaddi. Next. Paryushana is annually holy event of Jainism and usually celebrated August, September or October in Indian calendar, Bhadrapada month, Shukla Paksha. Jain increase their level of spirituality intense after using a fasting and prayer meditation to help. Paryushana is an annually holy event of for Jainism. Next question. Who belongs to the Banaras Ghana? Gharana. Who belongs to the Banaras Ghanara? The answer is Janaki Prasad and Sukdev Maharaj belongs to the Banaras Gharana. Next question. The Kirana Gharana. The Kirana Gharana Prabha Atre was an Indian classical vocalist from the Kiran Gharana. Prabha Atre is from Kirana Gharana. Next one. The Member of Parliament of Local Area Development Scheme. What is the full form of MPLADS? Member of Parliament of Local Area Development Scheme was introduced on December 23, 1993 by the Government of India. The scheme allows the Member of Parliament and to suggest development work in their constituencies. Next one. Kathak dance. Rohini Bate was among the most senior Kathak dancers. Kathak dancer Rohini Bate is the most senior Kathak dancer. Next one. Which state gives the Kalidas Samman Award? It is also important question. Government of Madhya Pradesh gives the Kalidas Samman Award. Next question. Who established the Nitya Bharati Kathak Dance Academy? Who established the Nitya Bharati Kathak Dance Academy? The answer is Kathak dancer Rohini Bate. Rohini Bate established the Nitya Bharati Kathak Dance Academy. Next, who is the father of Kathak? Pandit Birju Maharaj. Who is the father of Kathak? Pandit Birju Maharaj was the father of the Kathak. Next one. How many white pieces are there in the chess? 16 white pieces are there in a chessboard. Next one. When magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid, which gas is released? It is also important question. Hydrogen gas is released. The reaction is a displacement reaction. When where is more reactive magnesium metal displaces the less reactive hydrogen from the sulfuric acid. Next question. Tropical cyclones in Australia are called Willy Willis. The Bureau of Meteorological uses an alphabetical list of names for tropical cyclones in the Australian region. Tropical cyclones in Australia are called Willy Willis. Next one. What is a tropical cyclone in east west called? What is a tropical cyclone called in the west? The answer is typhoon. Next, PM Kisan Yojana scheme provides a financial benefit of how many rupees? 6,000 rupees per annum. PM Kisan Yojana scheme provides the 6,000 rupees per annum. Election Commission of India is a permanent constitutional body. The Election Commission was established on according to the Constitution on 25th January 1950. Election Commission was established on 25th January 1950. The President appoints the Election Commission and Election Commissioners. Who appointed the Chief Election Commissioner? The answer is President appointed the Chief Election Commissioners. Thank you for watching. These are the important key question and answers for SSC CGL 2024.